Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a cleaning video. This is some serious cleaning motivation for you guys. I'm going to be taking down all of our Christmas decorations along with our Christmas tree, and then I'm just going to be wiping everything down and mopping and just getting our house back to normal before Christmas even started. And I've already taken care of most of the toys. And we have a playroom or like a toy room, and you will probably never see that room of our house because either one, you're going to get really bad anxiety from it, or two, you're going to tell us that we buy our kids way too much, and I don't feel like having the judgment there. So back to cleaning. I'm just going to be wiping down the TV stand, and then now we're going to be taking down all the Christmas decorations on this side of our living room. And I just ended up putting everything right in a pile in the middle of our living room, so I was able to just take care of everything at once. And then now I'm just going to be taking down all of our tree ornaments. This took me like 15 minutes. I didn't even realize how many ornaments we had on here until I was starting to take them all down. So this took quite a while to do.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
And these are huge realistic piles of everything that I have to take care of, not even including the stuff I bought the day after. I have to get a couple more totes to put some of the new stuff in and some of the stuff I made this year. But I was just starting with the ornaments, and I always put our like really nice ornaments that I don't want broke, or like things that Scarlett and Presley have made throughout the years, or like school ornaments. I always put them in our stockings, and that seems to help really well without having to keep buying more stuff. And then I just kind of put everything in bags. Some of them I put in baggies, and this is what works for me. And I've never had a Christmas ornament break in like the 8 or 9 years that I've actually had my own place with my own ornaments. So this is the way it works for me.
Cause I'm light as a feather, but I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
And then once the ornaments were taken care of, I just put some of our small Christmas decorations into the tote as well, because I bring all these out the same exact time. And then I was just going to get a couple other totes and then put all of our Christmas decorations in them. Although some of it didn't fit, so I did get a couple garbage bags to put some of the bigger trees in until I get another tote.
Face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care.
right here our lighting is a little off because I kept moving around and I don't know what was going on, but the lighting is a little terrible here. But I'm just taking down our Christmas tree. And if you guys have a flocked Christmas tree, or even if you don't and you're thinking about getting one, these are the messiest things. They are so beautiful and so pretty, but this was like such a mess. I had white stuff all over my clothes and all over our floor, and then I had to like redo our TV stand because we had like just white snow stuff all over. It was insane.
It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
And then to end the cleaning in this room, I'm just be taking my Bissell Crosswave and vacuuming and sweeping everything in this room. This is such a joy to have, and I will be having another review video on this out pretty soon to answer some other questions that people have had that have wanted to know a little bit more about this. So anyways, I'm just going to be mopping, and I moved everything around to get every little piece of that flat tree that fell apart off my floors.
Times another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smell, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the who goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention, so you would say yes. I don't see the things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes.
And now I'm in the dining room taking down all the Christmas decorations, and my video is a little out of order, but that was because I thought it looked so weird me taking down all the Christmas decorations and then going back to every single room just to mop and sweep. So I thought this would be just way easier. So yes, the beginning part is done a little bit different, but this is just how I did room to room, taking down all of our decorations. And then now I'm just wiping everything down. And right now this buffet table is completely empty. And now this is the other side of our dining room. And this is where we've had a lot of the toys they've been playing with the last couple days, or the last day or so. So I just put everything in the toy room. So if you guys are wondering what that room is, that is our toy room. And it is a complete mess right now. But there is nothing I can do about it right now. So I'm just going to leave it. And it's a sunroom, so it's super cold in the wintertime and really hot in the summertime. So I have to pick and choose the nice days to actually clean that room.
Total sense when you're next to me.
And then I'm just using the Method All-Purpose Cleaner in the grapefruit scent, and this smells so good. I absolutely love this one. And I am just going to be wiping everything down. So I wiped all of everything down in the living room, and then I'm going to wipe our table down. And then I also did like the buffet table and stuff in this as well. And I absolutely love it.
Told you I could never let you go. I'm not so sure you believe me, but if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, 'cause you don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. thinking, oh, you know my little triggers keep on triggering them all. I've had enough of this, oh. Our timeline's getting worn out when we're going back and forth. You know we're only pretending, we're only weak and lonely, and I think we both know it. Why can't we face it? Keep on paper chasing all these made up reasons. You're the only one for me. My heart is wasted. Keep on paper chasing, acting pretty small when we are growing up.
And then the last room I'm going to be doing is the kitchen. I usually do this room first, but this was way more messier than I thought it would be or than it ever has in my entire life. So like I said, it was the day after Christmas and I was not cleaning that much on Christmas. So I thought I would get everything done now. I just need to take care of dishes, clean off everything off the counters. And we did have McDonald's breakfast that morning. So you see my McDonald's cup and I love their Diet Coke. So I'm just going to take care of dishes like I said and then wipe everything down. And then I'm also going to be mopping the kitchen floors too. Also, I would love some recommendations for dish detergent because I feel like I have tried everything and sometimes it still leaves a lot of my stuff super spotty. Right now I'm using like this Finish Powerball. I've tried like Cascade and I've even like made my own and used like lemon. I can't remember what it was called now. Let Me Shine, and nothing seems to work like that great. So if you guys have any recommendations for me, please leave them in the comments below.
It never was like this before. We've been wearing out our loving like a pair of favorite jeans. Was getting harder to ignore. Yeah. Kept on stitching up the patches. You know we're only pretending, we're only weak and lonely, and I think we both know it. Why can't we face it? Keep on paper chasing all these made up reasons. You're the only one for me. My heart is wasted. Keep on paper chasing, acting pretty small when we are growing out of love, growing out of growing out of love. Why can't we face it? We keep on paper chasing all these made up reasons. You're the only one for me. My heart is wasted. We keep on paper chasing, acting pretty small when we are growing out of love. Why can't we face it? Keep on paper chasing.
And then I usually never show me taking the garbage out because I usually do it every single night, but I was throwing some of our older Tupperware bowls and stuff away, so this thing was super, super packed. So I did want to get that changed out and wipe that all down and clean it. So it smelled better than it did. And then I am just going to take my Crosswave and then just go over our floors. And you are going to see some Christmas decor in the kitchen because I didn't have enough totes, so I just kind of left it where it was and then figured I would just buy a tote and then take care of it at a different time. So that's why you see some Christmas stuff in here. And then I also wasn't able to get the Christmas tree downstairs by myself without like having to need help taping up the box, so you're going to see that there as well. But everything else was taken care of, and like I said, this took like 4 hours, so I was really excited to have like 97% of this done.
All these made up reasons. You're the only one for me. My heart is wasted. Keep on paper chasing, acting pretty small when we are growing out of love, growing out of love. Growing out of love.
And then the very last thing I'm going to do is just clean our crock pot out. This didn't get cleaned in the dishwasher, which you're probably not supposed to put it in the dishwasher anyways, but I did. And then now I'm just going to clean all the parts from my Bissell Crosswave, and then that is it. I will be like completely done. But okay, you guys, that is it for my video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this gives you some kind of cleaning motivation and Christmas decor takedown motivation as well. I know that seems like it can be such a rough, like, long struggle, and it sure was, but I was so excited to get this done, and when it is done, everything feels so much better. And like I said, there was still a couple things I did leave up. I thought I'd leave my tray up for just a little bit longer to enjoy that. But if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you guys are new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
You've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else.